Hello.
We're doing another KitKat taste test today. We have 2 new flavors. It's been a while since we put out a video. Apologies again. We are working on them. I should say you're not doing much. I'm working on them. I actually have several to go up pretty soon. The one I'm working on is a 3-parter, so I kind of wanted to have them all ready all at once, so they will go up soon. And then I have a bunch of kind of like garbage videos to go in between that are just like 2-minute videos of nothing, so I thought I'd throw those up as well, just for fun. It's been almost 2 years since our trip. That's crazy. And you know what? This whole COVID reality that we're in, I have no concept of time anymore, so that's my excuse. My excuses have excuses. So today is our 21-year anniversary. 21 years since we met. So we have 2 anniversaries. One we met and one when we got married. And I almost completely forgot. You didn't remember either, did you?
No.
No. I was at work this morning and I went to write down the date and I was like, oh my goodness, it's our anniversary. So we're celebrating with KitKat. We bought these ones a little while ago. This is a, do I have an English translation? You know what it says on the English, the label that they slap on? It says chocolate wafer bar. Makes that super helpful. It's a red bean bun that is typical at a onsen resort. So you can kind of see we've got like a little onsen situation going on down here. And there is a picture of the red bean bun. So we've had a lot of red bean ones before. I wonder if it's going to be any different.
I can't remember, but this one's white chocolate. It
Oh,
might be.
Yeah. Yeah, all the ones we've had have all been dark, haven't they?
Maybe.
Yes.
Can't
But
remember.
look, it's got like all these little onsen motifs. This is the symbol for an onsen. Throw up the emoji right here. Onsen, by the way, is a hot spring, in case you just didn't know that. I've got some fans on here, because after, you know, you're hot in the tub, you want to cool off. Some sandals. Oh, I guess this actually is a little tub. Anyway, we'll break into that. And we also have this one that we bought more recently and just haven't gotten to yet. This is a Sakura flavored one. So we've had the Matcha Sakura before, but never just a straight up Sakura. So I find that interesting because you would think this would come out during Hanami season, which was in like March. It's now almost the end of September. So let's see. 2022, good, we're good for that one. This one expires this month, so glad we're finally getting around to that. But look at the pretty packaging, and then we have like this cute old couple. This is us, we're cute and old now. And then this lonely guy with his dog. Maybe that's Koyo. Koyo, our imaginary dog. And just to keep with the Sakura theme, we also got Sakura Matcha Pocky. Pocky. We always say Pocky, but it's Pocky.
Pocky?
Pocky. And
Does this have any Sakura flavor, or is it just called Sakura?
Sakura matcha. I don't know. Then we have just the regular old matcha, which are my favorite, which actually Tomoko-san dropped these off at work today. And I'm pretty sure I was supposed to share these with the other takeout girls, but I'm like, these are my favorite. Took the whole bag, took it home with me. Arigato Tomoko-san. I really like these. This is the I call it the grown-up matcha, the Otona no Amasa matcha flavor, which we've had, I think, in 2 or 3 different videos already. All right, let's get to eating. Which one do you want to start with?
This one?
This one. Onsen Manju. I just read that. So it's right here in hiragana. Onsen Manju. Manju are like red bean buns, basically. I just love the packaging. It's so cute. Anyway, I wanted to show you this again closer. So we have the bathing monkey in a hot spring, which, by the way, we will have a video about our onsen monkey Nagano experience at some point.
Both of these are packaging or paper packaging, which is
Yeah,
weird.
it's like
usually.
Oh, this one too.
Oh, that one too. I wonder if has KitKat changed their packaging?
It used to be that shiny foil type of plasticky packaging. So maybe this is better for the environment, which I'm all for. And then I also just wanted to show you these two faceless women in yukata emerging from the onsen. Are you excited? It's been a while since we had KitKat. They have the little designs. Mine has the sandals.
Whoa, these are really mini.
Wow, they're the tiniest KitKats I've ever seen.
You get how many bars? 9? 12 mini bars.
12 minis.
Maybe that's why.
I just realized that he's wearing his
12 mini
Sumiko
bars.
Garashi Gachapon watch that he got in Japan. His said U, that's the hiragana character U, which is what they put outside of baths. If you've ever seen Spirited Away, you'll notice when they go into the bathhouse, the character U is written on the Norin, the curtain on the way in.
I don't think there's...
There's a tiny little bit of pink in the middle.
Barely, not like in the picture.
Yeah, in the picture it looks really red, but granted these are pretty old. Alright. It smells...
I don't taste any red bean at all.
I can smell... I don't know if it's on you, breathing right in my face, or if I can actually smell it here. I can smell red bean.
I don't taste any red bean. Oh, a little bit, I guess.
It's not because it's going to focus on our faces, but you can kind
Actually,
of
not
see.
bad.
There's
The way you bit that one off.
Yeah, there's some red in there. I can taste red bean. It's hard to taste like through all the chocolate because obviously sweet chocolate is the overwhelming flavor. I can taste it. It's faint, very faint. And if I hadn't just had dorayaki last week, I might have forgotten what red bean tastes like. Alright, we have palate cleansing beverages. I have mine in my winter Japan mug.
These ones are small too.
Speaking of bathing monkeys, aren't they cute?
Are we just not used to how small they're supposed to be?
No, these are really small.
They're smaller than usual, right? Are we?
So maybe they made their packaging more friendly and their bars more dietary friendly.
You get 10 in this one?
11 in this one.
And 12 in that one?
Yeah.
Maybe you get more bars, but they're smaller.
15 in the matcha.
Really?
Oh wait, no, that says 13, right? 11, 12, 13. Where's the standardization? Okay, so I didn't show the outside of the packaging, did you? You're like, let's get this done. Are these all the same or are they all different?
Pretty much the same.
No, they say different things. But I can't read kanji, so I don't know what they say. I will link up here our video where we did our little mini hanami in Korea Park, where this guy ate a Sakura petal to see what it tastes like, and we still have no consensus. We have no idea. I will still hold to this day that the Sakura Matcha KitKats were my very favorite KitKat ever. Although it was close with the Sakura Kinako. That was really good too.
I'm not sure what to make of these. I don't think they taste... The flavor doesn't come to mind.
Whoa, whoa.
It's not strawberry.
No, it's its own flavor. It's almost like a cinnamon kind of... There's got to be cinnamon in here. Because I don't think Sakura would taste like cinnamon. These might be my third favorite KitKat of all time. Because these taste like the matcha one. If I just stick half a matcha and half a Sakura in my mouth at one time, maybe I'll get that.
You should do that.
I like these. They're good. I like this one. Oh, I wanted to show you the inside. In between the wafers is almost white. You're not gonna be able to see that with the lighting. Did they put... Okay, there is the ingredients written here in English, like the imported slap-on sticker. I just want to see if there's cherry leaf extract powder, powdered sake, cocoa powder, flavoring agent, coloring agent, red beets. It doesn't say anything about cinnamon, so, and then since it's got the cherry leaf extract, that must be the taste of Sakura. You never had the Sakura mochi, did you? That was the pink rice with the red bean, and it was covered with the leaf.
I don't think so.
I peeled off the leaf, so I didn't actually eat the leaf. It was very pickled and very vinegary kind of tasting, so I didn't eat it. So that's the only true Sakura thing I've ever eaten.
Ready for the Pocky?
Oh, sure. So this is the package.
I was wondering.
And then it comes in like a share box.
I was wondering where it's pink.
Oh, the cookie is the Sakura, and the matcha is.
I was wondering how that would work here.
I'm just looking at the package. Taste of Japan, it says.
Really, really strong matcha.
You know what?
That's all I taste.
I'm gonna go for the stick first.
Yeah.
Tastes like nothing.
Yeah.
Tastes like matcha ice cream, not real matcha. Like that very, almost fake tasting. Overly sweet. Good though. These aren't bad.
Yeah.
Let's have matcha one, just for fun. Because I want to see the size of these ones. To see if they made them smaller too. How much did we buy these for in Japan? They're really cheap, right? Like 160 in a bag or 200 something. By the way, these two, we got both at TNT, the Chinese grocery store, and they were $9 to $11 each. So,
sorry.
Markup is real.
These ones have different pictures on them.
Yeah, that's what they've been doing lately. Mine has some oni, some little demon guys. What do we got here? We have, I like how they're all eating KitKats too. Old man who has put down his pack of wood, his wood backpack carrying to have a KitKat break. They're all having breaks. And they say break on them. This is another old man. This is a bear who is not eating fish. She is taking his KitKat break from fishing.
Monkeys.
Monkey guys hanging out on the couch. Sure. Sure. Is every single bar different? I'm not gonna show them all.
I got some doubles.
This is
4 doubles.
a ninja. These are some ducks.
What's this?
Oh, kokeshi.
What's that?
These are little wooden dolls called kokeshi.
Look, bird feeding is...
A bird has brought back a KitKat to his nest, her nest, its nest.
Okay.
These are small, a lot smaller than they used to be. These used to be about that much bigger. That much bigger.
Yeah.
Nothing in between the wafers of these ones. I mean, like not a dark green. Not nothing. There's something. I seem to remember that it used to be green. Okay, I want to do that thing.
What thing? One of each?
Help me out. I'm all chocolatey.
It's like when you take different flavors of Pringles and stack them.
Do people actually do that though?
Yeah, there's a commercial about it.
I know the commercial, but that doesn't mean people actually do it. Do you like Jason's COVID hair? It's grown a lot, huh? Not sharing with you, Van.
Well, is it everything you hoped it'd be?
Not everything, because it's not that chocolate bar that I had that one time. It's good.
Put the other ones in.
Rate.
Oh yeah, I forgot the rating.
Yeah, so the Onsen Manju.
I didn't taste any red bean, so just tasted like white chocolate to me, so I'm giving it a 7.5. The Sakura, I'd say 7.8.
You didn't like that one?
Nah.
Alright, so let's just rate the matcha one just to pull up an old video just to see if it's the same.
No, 7.85.
7.85. Okay, and are you gonna rate the Pocky? You may as well. Pocky.
This is probably my favorite one out of all of them. 8. I like how the stick's pink, even if it doesn't project any flavor. It's like this that it puts in your mind. Look, it's Sakura.
Okay.
But it's not just painted. It's like the whole thing was pink. It's interesting.
Yeah, it's like the dough was pink and then they made the cookie out of it.
8.5.
Thanks for joining us for our very special anniversary celebration. Which one do you think would be the best? The regular matcha, the Sakura flavor, or the red bean bun, aka Onsen Manju?
Or the Sakura Matcha Pocky.
Thanks so much for watching.
See you next time.
Matcha jikai.